Muchas gracias.
Where are you
Gracias.
from?
So today is windy and cloudy. So allora sono in Montevideo con preso 36. City center is close. Uruguay is the safest country in South America after Chile. The most expensive country in South America, safest and expensive country in South America. That's Palacio Savio. Cheers close because of concert. There's gonna be a concert, I think. And that's historical building, the oldest building in Montevideo. The city's population is 1,800,000 population. Uruguay population is 3,400,000 population. Norway is my unlucky day. It's close. Independence year. All right. Cheers. That's our Independence year. Independence Square. So I want to have a lunch here. Maybe Uruguayan beef. I can try that. So let's see the smallest country in South America. Okay, came back to the main street in Montevideo. Octavio Podesta. There's more. I'm gonna go to Port Market, Central Market for my lunch. And we came to Constitution, Plaza de la Constitución. This place is named by Spanish colonial. It is similar to Spain and Italian style, as the architecture buildings even use everything is similar to Spain and Italy. Wow, nice Boca Juniors. People drinking the traditional mats like Argentinian mats tea are similar to Uruguay and Argentina. Alright, we kept the Plaza Sabala. Park. After that, I'll go to Mercado Central. Fundados de Montevideo General Don Bruno de Zabala. Okay, so let's continue to explore more. Finally, we came to Central Market. Alright, finally we came to Central Market right now. I am just looking for Uruguayan beef, which I wanna have my lunch here. So let's see.